Hello toppers, today we will be discussing regarding nutrition and health from PSM view. So in this video we will be discussing only few things regarding the diet nutrients, proximate principles of diet, recommended daily allowances, reference Indian man and women. So in this video we will be discussing regarding these topics, and the end of the video we will be discussing few MCQs which had been already asked in the competitive exams. So let's get started. What is proximate principles? So the answer is, it is none other than macronutrients. So let's guess what are all the macronutrients we know. That is only three: carbohydrates, fats and proteins. These three things are macronutrients, which is also called as proximate principles. Then we all know balanced diet. So let's see what is in balanced diet. That is composition of the diet. So first, in protein there should be 10 to 15% of total daily energy intake. Then in case of fat it is 15 to 30%, and in carbohydrate it is 50 to 70%. So this composition makes the balanced diet. So try to remember this percentage exactly. Then energy yield of macronutrients. So let's see how much energy each macronutrient is yielding. So in case of carbohydrate it is 4 kilocalories per gram, in case of protein it is 4 kilocalories per gram, and in case of fat it is 9 kilocalories per gram. Then comes the energy requirements, that is, in case of adult male there are three categories, that is sedentary worker, moderate worker and heavy worker. So in case of energy it is, in case of sedentary worker it is 2320. Then moderate worker it is 2730. Then heavy worker it is 3490. And protein requirement for all the workers is same, that is 60 gram per day. Then in case of adult female it is comparatively less. So in case of sedentary worker it is 1900, and in case of moderate worker it is 2230, and heavy worker it is 2850. For these three workers, type of workers, the protein requirement is 55 gram per day. And based on the pregnancy requirements, lactation, if it is 0 to 6 months the value varies, and for lactation from 6 to 12 months the values vary in case of energy and proteins. So in case of infant, for first 6 months it is 92 per kg, and protein requirement is 1.16 per kg. And in case of 6 to 12 month baby it is 80 per kg and 1.69 per kg proteins. So these things we have to memorize, then only we can give direct answer for these type of questions. Then next question, what is consumption units? So it is a coefficient of dietary intake which varies between individual based on their age, sex and physical activity. Then we might have listened to this RDA, that is, what is recommended daily allowance. So it is a level of intake corresponding to mean plus or minus 2 standard deviation, which covers the requirement of 97.5% of population. So this mean plus or minus 2 standard deviation, which we had seen always in the research aspect. So if the food is covering this mean plus minus 2 standard deviation, then it can be considered as RDA. Then comes most important question, that is reference Indian man and reference Indian women. So both belongs to the same age category, that is 18 to 29 years, and weight it is 60 kg for man and 55 kg for women, and height it is 173 centimeter or 1.73 meters, and in women it is 161 centimeters or 1.61 meters, and the BMI is 20.3 in case of man and 21.2 in case of women. So try to memorize all these values. These things are more important and it can be asked as a direct question. So let's start with the MCQ part of today's topic, that is, what is the recommended daily energy intake of an adult pregnant woman with heavy work? This we had already seen. So the options are 2100 kilocalorie, 2500 kilocalorie, then 3200 kilocalories, then 2900 kilocalories, and the answer is C, 3200 kilocalories. You have to add. Reference weight of Indian men and women. We might be thinking we will be remembering it very easily, but suddenly if the question is asked and the options are provided, then we will get confused. So it is 60 and 55 kg, 55 and 50 kg, then 65 and 55 kg, and D 45 and 50 kg. This thing, like we may be thinking that we can remember easily by looking at the option. It is really confusing. So keep an eye on these values and revise it side by side. And the option is A, answer 60 kg for men and 55 kg for women. Then extra calories per day in lactating mothers in first 6 months. So the options are 300, 500, 600 and D 1000. So these are all the direct questions we can expect from this topic, and the answer is 600 kilocalories. So be prepared with all the values as I had already mentioned, and these questions are the frequently asked questions from this chapter. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we will meet with some other different video of MCQs.